today at school is Crazy Hair Day, so me and my mom have planned a really cute hairstyle for us to show you guys. Subscribe to Just Me Pretty and let's get started.
Alright, it's Crazy Hair Day. We're gonna mix this got to be glued gel with this foil confetti we got at Walmart, and we're gonna paint it in Sadie's braids. Crazy Hair Day!
All you need is a brush. I'm just kidding.
So we're just gonna do a Dutch braid. You're gonna take 3 sections from the front. The outer strands are gonna go under the middle. Finger placement is super important, so we're gonna hold all 3 sections in one hand. We're gonna add a section to the top, right under the middle. I like to use my middle fingers to kind of help pull that hair over. We're gonna add a new section of hair to the bottom, braid it under the middle.
So guys, I'm super excited. So you don't have to do exactly what we're doing. You can just do the hairstyle, but you don't have to do the crazy part. So it's gonna be cute either way. Super excited because it's Demi's birthday and it's Wacky Hair Day and her dress.
So we're adding in sections. Each side before braiding it over. I'm keeping the sections really tight, and you can tell that I'm holding all 3 sections in one hand before adding new hair. So pinky, left side, middle finger, middle strand, pointer finger and thumb, right strand. That gives me the ability to add in a new strand by just kind of slipping it in my index finger and thumb. To the bottom. Okay, we're gonna braid it all the way down. So now I'm gonna take this, rotate it around. But I'm in a hurry, so. We're almost done. I think it probably works best to like pat the glitter on. Yeah, it does. Okay. Pat the glue straight onto the hair and then put on the glitter like this.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was super fun to do it with, and I'm super excited to see you guys do it and tag us if you did do it.
We'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye. Mwah.